Hello, and welcome to another session on using Blender for video editing. In this short session, I'm going to show you a neat thing you can do in the graph editor when you're trying to keyframe multiple attributes for the same strip. So let me just play this really quickly so you can see. I've got two different things I'm animating, the X offset and the Y offset. And let's say, for example, I wanted to just focus on one of them, but the fact that they're both animating right now makes it kind of distracting, hard to see. So let me stop that, and we'll turn our attention over to the graph editor. You might not have noticed it, but there's a bunch of icons right over here that are showing on top of the names of the different attributes. And if you put the mouse over here, you can drag it over so you can see them more clearly. The ones you want to use if you want to stop animating a certain property without getting rid of the keyframes, because you've already done the work to set up those keyframes. You just don't want them active at this right now. It's these speaker buttons. So you just have to click on it, and then it toggles it off. And clicking again brings it back on. So as an example, I'll jump back to the beginning, and let's say I wanted to just work on the Y offset. So I'll click the speaker icon that says, does F curve contribute to result? And now that's disabled. So now if I hit the play button, it's still doing exactly the same thing, because sometimes you have to hit the refresh sequencer. So let me stop that, and I'll bring it back to the start and click refresh sequencer. And now I will press the play button again. And there, as you can see, now we still have the this linear extrapolation for the X offset in place, but it's not active right now. And in fact, if we were to render this out, it would be just the animation on the offset Y. And that's it. That's it for this session. Just one quick little thing that can help you when you, again, are trying to animate multiple attributes and some things are kind of getting in the way. Of course, you could always delete all of the keyframes, but then you lose all your work, and then you'd have to put them back in later. But with this one little icon, with this one click on or off, you can disable all of them so you can focus on everything else. And that's it for today. We'll see you in the next session. If you did like this, please do give it a like and subscribe to see more content. Thanks, and we'll see you next time. Bye now.